We have researchers across our faculties who are dedicated to ensuring that we understand better the diseases that face people in our society and finding the most innovative treatments and solutions to address those diseases.
Cystic fibrosis is the most common life-limiting condition affecting children and young adults in Northwest European populations. It's caused by a gene mutation and results in infection and damage to the lungs, which in the past has caused early death due to respiratory failure.
Within the UK, for example, there's over 10,000 people with CF, and across the world there's probably 80 to 100,000 people affected by this condition.
We have been privileged at Queen's to be part of an international programme to develop new drugs that specifically correct the functioning of the protein which is damaged by the mutation that causes cystic fibrosis.
The main challenge has been developing therapies and clinical trials to focus on the underlying cause of cystic fibrosis.
It meant bringing together a multidisciplinary team that can deliver both the early and the later phase clinical trials. That trial network has grown from around 7 centres to start with to now covering almost 2/3 of the patients in Europe with cystic fibrosis. The European network works with a US network to make this a world delivery.
At Queen's, we're helping to develop further drugs to tackle the challenges we currently face with cystic fibrosis. This was initially a single agent that affected one particular mutation of CFTR. It developed into dual therapy and subsequently triple therapy, which are 3 drugs that can impact CFTR.
The triple therapy now is effective in around 90% of people with cystic fibrosis. So much more positive now because we can offer a treatment that really makes a big difference.
But it does not stop drug development, and at Queen's we are keen to develop further therapies to help improve lives further.
Perhaps most importantly, have really given many of our patients a new hope and positive view of the future so that they can get on with careers, families and other activities that healthy people take for granted.
Our research shapes worlds.